Kitchen hack, kitchen hack, kitchen hack. We all love those. I'm so excited to share with you guys. I saw this new blender. It's the Beast blender. It came out on the market and I absolutely love it because it makes my meal prep so quick and easy. So literally the night before, I can make my smoothie, make my afternoon protein snack, stick it in the fridge. I'm ready to grab it and out the door in the morning. So wanted to share with you guys exactly how to make this afternoon snack. To me, this is a nutrient powerhouse because not only am I utilizing my collagen, which I've shared this with you guys before. Quick story on that. It absolutely works. I was going to my nail tech and she asked me it was about 6 weeks after using this. She said, "What have you been doing different? Your nails are changed. They're no longer, they used to be like paper and now they're hard." And this was the only thing that I changed. So if you're interested in hair, skin, and nails, grab that product. It's definitely worth it. So back to the chia, which I actually forgot to put out here. Hold on one quick sec. And I'm back with the chia seeds. In my prep, I forgot to put it out here. So I'm back with that. So the first thing that you want to do is add your liquid in here. And I have 3/4 of a cup because I'm adding the collagen to it. If I were not going to add the collagen, I was just making straight chia, I would just use 1/2 a cup because for me, I like that thick consistency. So any milk or nut milk of your choice. What I have in here is a light coconut milk. And then I'm going to go ahead and put in 2 tablespoons of my collagen, 1 teaspoon of my organic vanilla. Now, here's where it comes to the sweetener part. For me, I have this honey. You know, in the United States that we have an issue with glyphosate. This honey is completely organic and it is checked to not contain that chemical in it. So if you're going to use honey, I highly recommend this. My discount code is in the description, so grab that if you're so inclined. If you are wanting to keep low carb or keto, you can use monk fruit, or you could use stevia. I'm going to use monk fruit today. I want to keep it on the little bit of the lower carb side, and I'm testing out monk fruit to see how I do with it. So this is my second day of giving that a try. I'm just going to drop in 2 packets for today, but you could use maple syrup, you know, whatever the sweetener is, whatever your nutrition goals are, your weight loss goals, that type of thing. All right, we're all set. Let's give this baby a blend. I love the taste of vanilla. Now you could also add, if you wanted to up your antioxidant nutrients, put some raw cacao in there. You could also do protein powder if you're like really wanting a big protein boost in your mid-afternoon snack or breakfast. You could do this for breakfast. I wanted to give that like a nice good long whip to really get that collagen blended up. So now these guys here, if you're not familiar with chia seeds, they are very gelatinous. They're going to soak up all this good stuff. And you will be all set and ready for tomorrow. Just give it a good shake and then stick it in the fridge overnight. Give it another good shake when you take it out, and then you can add your toppings. And the toppings are limitless. Like it's the season for pomegranate. So today, after this gets all nice and congealed, I'm going to throw some pomegranates on top. You could do your nuts, whatever you like. And that is it. So a nutrition super powerhouse snack. That quick and easy. You know, chia seeds are full of omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, which is another thing that's great for our skin health. I know at my age, that's something I'm really focusing on right now because I have had some challenges with my skin of late. So wanted to share this with you guys, and I'll be doing another video to show you how to create a smoothie. Much love. Mwah.